Good morning, students. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning life skill class. Students, till here I was explained in previous class. Today I am explaining from this portion. You will listen very carefully this story. Roxy and his father stood there staring at the statue. Roxy and his father stood there staring at the statue. Means staring means एकटक वो लोग वहाँ पे खड़े रहे. With a closer look, they saw there were a lot of artificial flowers that people had thrown through gaps in the door. Is it clear? Artificial flowers means नकली बनावटी फूल जो है that people had thrown through gaps in the door as token of gratitude. Gratitude means कृतज्ञता, धन्यवाद जिसे बोलते हैं. When a prayer was answered or as an offering to expedite one. Expedite means शीघ्र, means when जब a prayer was answered or as an offering to expedite one. The wall behind the statue was plastered. The wall behind statue means Mary. Behind the statue was plastered with fake white and blue flowers. Next, they stood there looking at each person with their heads bowed. They stood there looking at each person. प्रत्येक व्यक्ति they stood वहाँ पे खड़े थे जो with their heads bowed. Bowed means झुकना, सर झुकाना. And trying to figure out what their problems might be that would make them climb these steps in search of solution. Means उस चढ़ाई को चढ़ के अपने solution जो भी problems थी उसके solution के लिए वो लोग आए थे. When their eyes stopped on a beautiful young woman, she automatically looked up as if she could feel the stare boring into her. Then she smiled, means she is laughing, and her face radiated such a look of peace. Next, she gestured. Gesture means gesture and posture means हाव भाव. She gestured towards the other side of bench and moved to make a space to let them sit. और वहीं पे वो sit बैठ जाते. Roxy started to say thank you. Roxy ने start किया क्या बोला कि thank you. But she put her fingers on her lips. देखिए वो her fingers put on her lip, signaling then that she was not ready to talk. लेकिन वो बात करने के लिए तैयार नहीं थी. Roxy bowed his head and was lost in these thoughts. It occurred to him how quiet it was. कैसे इतनी चुप थी. Except for an occasional sniffle. Is it clear? What the meaning of sniffle? नाक सुड़कना एक प्रकार से बस. Roxy and his father had no sense of time. Roxy and his father means उसके पिताजी had no sense of time. They just sat, बैठे थे. There are experienced a feeling of calmness. Calmness means शांत. Until Roxy felt a light tap on his shoulder. An old woman in her 70s was looking at him. An old woman means एक बूढ़ी औरत in her 70s was looking at him. उनको देख रही थी. He looked up into her big brown eyes and was struck by how old she looked. कैसे वो जो है हतप्रभ होकर देख रही थी. Her head was tied in a white scarf. उसके सर पे क्या था? एक white scarf था, just like this, that framed a round face. चारों तरफ से. Roxy stood up and gave his place to her to sit. Her name was Annie. उसका नाम क्या था उस लेडीज का? Annie. And she climbed these steps twice a week. और वो क्या चढ़ती थी? Twice a week. सप्ताह में, मतलब मीन्स वीक में 2 times. To pray for a miracle. She had lost her husband. She had lost her husband. वो अपने husband को खो चुकी थी. And her only son had left her to go to foreign lands. और उसका बेटा कहाँ चला? फॉरेन में. She prayed here so that her son would come back. वो क्या प्रे करती थी? कि जिससे उसका बेटा घर वापस आ जाए. Roxy asked her to write a letter to her son, but she said that was not necessary. Roxy asked her to write a letter. रॉक्सी ने उससे पूछा कि आप एक लेटर क्यों नहीं अपने बेटे को लिखते हैं. सो बट सी सेड, उसने कहा, दैट वॉज नॉट नेसेसरी, मतलब आवश्यक नहीं है. बिकॉज सी बिलीव दैट द वर्जिन मैरी, क्योंकि वो किस पे विश्वास करती थी? वर्जिन मैरी पे उनको पूर्ण विश्वास था. वुड ग्रांट हर विश. व्हेन रॉक्सी लुक्ड इन हर आईज ही सॉ अनवेवरिंग faith and trust. Then, after sitting there for a long time, they started their descent. Annie to accompanied them. उसके साथ क्या किया उन्होंने? चढ़ाई से उतरना स्टार्ट किया. On the way, they passed people going up in different positions. On the way, रास्ते में, they passed people गोइंग अप इन डिफरेंट पोजिशन. डिफरेंट तरीके से लोग चढ़ रहे थे. एन ओल्डर मैन वॉज गोइंग अप ऑन हिज नीज विद आर्म्स वाइड ओपन. एन ओल्डर मैन, एक बूढ़ा व्यक्ति, वॉज गोइंग अप ऑन हिज नीज, ने घुटनों के बल चढ़ रहा था. आर्म्स वाइड ओपन. While he asked for a cure for his wife. किसके लिए? वो अपनी पत्नी को सही, मतलब अच्छा करने के लिए, कि उसकी पत्नी बीमार थी. A woman was walking up backward while asking for justice. Then Annie. Yes. After Annie saw the puzzled look on Roxy's face. एनी ने देखा puzzled look means उसके रॉक्सी के फेस को, जो कि puzzled था. And explained that the more often or the harder you make the ascent, the faster you get results. The faster you get results. अगर बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट चाहते हैं. Roxy was overwhelmed with awe. Overwhelmed means अभिभूत या व्यग्र, किसी चीज़ की व्यग्रता. Sadness and respect. This monument to many was just an architectural marvel, but to the people who sought the divine help, sought. This is the second form of the verb. Sight and second form sought. The divine help, Virgin Mary was their doctor. क्या थी? डिवाइन हेल्प के बाद वर्जिन मैरी वॉज देयर डॉक्टर. उन सबकी क्या थी? डॉक्टर थी. वर्जिन मैरी मीन्स स्टैचू जो चर्च में थी. जज, उनके लिए वो जज थी. कॉन्फिडेंट विश्वास पात्र, फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र एंड द बेस्ट फ्रेंड। और फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र यानी कि वो हर प्रकार से उनके लिए विश्वसनीय थी। कौन? वर्जिन मैरी। एंड द बेस्ट फ्रेंड who will never reveal their secrets। reveal means पता चलना। so who जो will never reveal their secrets। रॉक्सी saw unconditional faith। रॉक्सी ने देखा अनकंडीशनल फेथ, इस तरीके का विश्वास जिसमें कोई कंडीशन नहीं थी। दैट डे that had since launched him on a never ending quest। that had since launched, और उसके मन में क्या था? जो कभी ना ख़त्म होने वाला क्वेश्चन, कि इतना विश्वास लोगों को वहाँ पे था। सो क्लास, चैप्टर हैज़ फिनिश्ड, स्टोरी हैज़ फिनिश्ड। टुमारो we will complete our question answers and exercises of this lesson। Class is over।